third part, we go to the device. For the device part, we show you how to find the right picture to the right device. Yeah, let's go. We go to the device list here, and then choose the right device. There's the name. Yeah, here. You go to the ghost setting. For this part, you must know what is your product layout in the machines. For example, this is the product layout in the machines. There comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loads together. For the first load, it begins with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 slots, yeah, on the first load. And the second load, there also comes with 10 slots there. Okay, let's go. How to? Yes, with 10 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first lot is ready. So we keep save and go to move the second lot setting.